Hello everyone, welcome back to GT Races. Today I will change my side indicators for the new one, the black ones. I don't just pick them up. Here are the new ones and they will be here instead. Be very good. The construction is like this. As you can see, there's a small catcher hook there probably, and here we have a little bit of leverage. So I think that they are put in like that and clicked in like that. So we'll see if we can remove it. Let's start with removing the white one. Hopefully this will be easy. I think I only need to do like this and push it that way. Let's see now. Yeah, here it comes. See, and slowly, and there you have the leverage. Maybe you can see my in the reflection there. Take this one. There it popped out. Look. Here it is. Very good. So now you see you have a small rubber, what do you call it, casket? You call it that? I don't want to destroy that. Yes. Let's see if we can do it carefully. Yes, now I understand how it works. You can see in here, you see the two small grooves. So I only need to twist this. So I take it like this, and then, oh Jesus, I need two hands. How should I do this? Wait a sec. It's very good that I have the octopus tripod, because now it's like gripping the wing mirror. And now I do like this and hold the electricity and just twist it. Whoop! Look at that. Very easy. It's a little bit... It's damaged, this, I don't know. Let's see, maybe I put that. Yeah, I just put this in again. I think the easiest way is to do it exactly the same way and twist. I think it's locked. I'm not that impressed with how tight it locks, but it looks correct. Or does it? Yeah, I can only pull this one way, so it's like that. And I need to be careful with that, because this little hook on this side, I saw it on this one, it has been damaged. It's almost gone here, because of course during 12 years they probably removed this and changed the lamp at some point. See if they still like that, carefully. Oh, look at that. I now have a black indicator instead of the white. I need to do the other side, and then we need to try and turn on the side indicator to see how good the light is. Yes, let's do that. Let's see, this, we should do this at night, but this is a flashing from the white side, and this is a flashing from the black side. Oh my god, this looks really good. It's really yellow. Look, I was a little bit afraid that it would be too dark, but this is a approved light. This is a EC approved light, as you can see on the markings. Whoa, very happy with this. And let's change the last side too, and then we are finished for today. and we can get it out. Let's take a little bit. I don't want to break these, even though, yeah, it's broken here too, but it still fits. And I need to have them as a spare. You never know when you need a extra set of indicators like that, and just very easy. Let's see if this side works too. And of course this side works too. So this was a very short video of me changing the white side indicators onto the black ones. If you like this video, please continue and watch my other videos or see my future videos. Have a really good day. Goodbye.